Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did a video yesterday, and one of my viewers or subscriber, um, and I knew all this, but you get where you forget stuff. So we were having trouble getting the dashes or the dotted lines to the corner. But if you'll just go to your pen tool, and he also suggested you can go in there and right here you can adjust the settings, and you can see there's only 2 versus 5. So you could cut that down and have your dot closer together, and you can actually see it right down there. So we've got, let's go 2 and 2 and add that. But we still have the problem with they're not on the corners. Well, right here, this is what we have as default. This is align dashes in the ends of corners of lines and outlines. And then this one is fixed dashes, apply dashes and fixed links in the corner and the ends of point. And all you have to do is hit that. Now you have corners. So you have 45-degree lines, and like where it does that, it does a really good job. He sent me a whole diagram of every letter, every number, and how he did it, and that's what it looks like. So get your pen tool, double click on it right here, pick this one if you want corners. Now we could still adjust this and make the distance between them a little less, and then add, but it's still, and then hit OK, and it looks pretty good. Now to me it's missing one right here, but that's just because it's a shorter distance. Anyway, I thank that viewer and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.